Hey Toronto, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber. Serving you since 2006. Your reliable source for plumbing and drain solutions in Toronto. Want fast, friendly, and reliable service in Toronto for things like clogged drains, clogged toilets, hot water tank replacements, or sump pump installations? Then call John the Plumber. All of our plumbers are licensed, insured, and most importantly, friendly. All of our work is backed by our industry-leading 2-year warranty. From drain cleaning, sump pump installations, to hose bib replacements, it's all covered by our warranty. Need sewer repair? We specialize in sewer repairs and replacements in Toronto. Need new faucets or valves? We have top quality plumbing fixtures that are built to last. Need leaks repaired? Pipes cleaned? Our team is equipped to handle any plumbing issue. Need emergency plumbing services in Toronto? Our team of skilled and professional plumbers are on standby, waiting to provide you with any solution to your plumbing problem. Day or night, Monday to Sunday, we are ready to provide you with exceptional plumbing services. Call us today or book online and save $20 on your booking. Returning customer, enjoy 10% off your bill thanks to our loyalty program. Want a quote? We'll provide you with a detailed, transparent, and fair quote for the job at hand. If you choose us for the job, we'll waive the quote fee. Concerned about cost? John the Plumber offers competitive pricing and detailed quotes, plus easy financing options with Finance It. Enjoy soft, non-invasive credit checks and flexible payment plans, all without hidden penalties. With John the Plumber, you're choosing a trusted, local expert committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Join thousands of customers already experiencing peace of mind and exceptional plumbing service. Gordon said, "Great service. They answered all my questions and gave me suggestions to prevent problems in the future. On time, fast, and friendly. Highly recommend." Michael said, "They were here on time and completed the work in a professional manner. Highly recommend their service." Dominic said they were prompt and knowledgeable. Very happy with the service and will be using John the Plumber from now on for all my plumbing needs. Visit us online or call today to schedule your quote or consultation from our team of friendly and reliable professionals.